Good morning friends. Today it's 21st of March 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. In line with expectations, Nifty has gained decent up move. In last few sessions we have seen that Nifty has bounced back sharply from the lows of around 22,360 last week to current week highs of 23,232 odd levels. We are approaching towards the resistance mark zone, and as per the price study, 23,350 to 23,500 is immediate first hurdle, followed by higher hurdles of 24,000 odd levels. Initially, we can expect some kind of resistance, and our contra trading short bets at around 23,500 odd levels can be looked into, keeping strict stop losses. And on the lower end, dips towards 22,850, 22,750 in days to come will be looked for fresh buying longs, maintaining stop below 22,400 odd levels. So as of now, in a short-term time frame, the bias remains buy on dip with resistance where one can take some contra short bets, maintaining strict stop losses. Intraday Nifty futures trading levels are 23,050 and 22,900, which can be looked for buying, while 23,350 and 23,450 are selling levels, maintaining strict stops of 50 odd points. In respect with Bank Nifty futures, it has gained almost 4% this week and has ended last session at 50,097 levels. It is approaching towards the resistance of 50,500 mark. For the day today, 49,800 and 49,650 are supports which can be looked for buying on dips, and 50,350 and 50,530, these are resistance level which can be looked for selling, keeping strict stop loss of 100 odd points. If we see the pace of up move this week, it's quite optimistic for the bulls, and thus it indicates that even for the next week, any kind of dips in the market initially will be looked for fresh long bets, maintaining strict stop losses, and we'll see how the momentum follow up comes across in next couple of weeks thereafter. So as we know that on the higher end there are cluster of resistances which need to be taken off in order to nullify the ongoing pessimism since September 24, in order to nullify the weakness and the reversal of the trend. So for that purpose, as mentioned, the first hurdle remains at 23,300 to 23,500 zone, followed by 24,200 mark. So we are expecting that initially dips towards 22,850, 22,750 next week, if any, will be looked for fresh long bets, while on the immediate basis, hurdle zone can be looked for contra trading shorts. Stock specific momentum will continue in small and mid cap counters. This pullback should be looked for reducing at least 25-30% of the positions initially towards the resistance mark, and fresh review will be done next week thereafter. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.